Now I will show you how to create several points on a line with the same spacing in between. We will place together some points on the middle line of our front piece. This could be used for positioning buttons, for example. We will use for that the function createPointOnLine. You will first have to click with the middle mouse button in order to indicate the number of points you want to create. For example, you want to create 3 points. Then move your cursor to the origin point. This is the point from which you will indicate the distance. Position the cursor exactly on this point, but before clicking, ensure that the correct line is highlighted. If it is not the case, use the function key F4. Click on the point. Then you can click in the direction where you want to get the points created. If you accept the distance which is displayed on this window, the points will be equally spaced on the element, like the small crosses displayed on screen. If you want another distance, for example 11 centimeters, you enter the required distance and click on OK or press Enter. 3 points have been created at 11 centimeters intervals. Now imagine that you want to create several points equally spaced but between 2 points. You use the same function createPointOnLine and click first the middle mouse button in order to indicate the number of points. For example, 4. Click on OK or press Enter. Then you will have to click the 2 reference points between which the points should be created. First click on the first reference point. Then press on the tabulator and move your cursor to the second reference point. You see 4 crosses indicating the position, the 4 points between the reference point and the position of the cursor. Move the cursor to the second reference point and use the magnetism. Click on the point and accept the distance which is indicated in this window. That's it. If you want to do the same between your neck hole and the first point situated on the same side of the front middle, use the same function, createPointOnLine. Click with the middle mouse button and indicate the number of points to be created. Click on OK or press Enter. Move your cursor to the neck hole, but before you click, use the function key F4 in order to select the correct line, the line where the points are to be created. When the correct line is highlighted, you can click on the point. This is the first reference point. Press the tabulator and move your cursor to the second reference point. Use the magnetism and click on the point. Accept the distance which is indicated on this window. You are done.